Hi, I'm Sylvia and I have a true passion for baking cakes, and today I want to show you how to make one of my favorites using my beautiful Portofino's Meg oven. This is a raspberry, peach and mascarpone loaf cake. These flavors together are just wonderful. What we need is eggs, 4, sugar, it's a cake after all. Just gonna give it a quick mix. At this point, we're gonna add some vanilla paste, some beautiful olive oil. I am Italian after all. And mascarpone. This will give this cake incredible richness, flavor, texture. It's a wonderful Italian cream cheese that is quite rich. At this point, we're just going to flavor it a bit more, and I always like to have some lemon. And I'm going to use the zest and the juice. And I've got self-raising flour in here, and all of them working together to turn into the fluffiest, most beautiful batter. You also want a loaf tin lined with baking paper to make life even easier. I'm gonna add some of the raspberries into the batter and very gently mix them through. And now we're gonna tumble this goodness in the tin. I'm gonna get this beautiful yellow peach and put it on top like that. Fan it out a little bit if you want. We're also gonna put some more raspberries on top. I mean, this is gorgeous as it is. Imagine when it's baked and the batter puffs up and it sort of encloses all the fruit. Now, what's gonna make our bake even more fuss-free is this Meg oven technology. I've set it up 180 on fan forced. That means that this cake that would normally probably take around an hour to bake if you use the sort of conventional function, will bake in basically half the time, 35 to 40 minutes at the most. Let the oven do the work for you. And there it is. It smells incredible. Now the temptation would be to get it out of there and slice it up and eat it. But it needs to cool down a little bit at least so that the crumb has a chance to get rid of some of the moisture that's still in there. Basically, as it cools down, it keeps on cooking a little bit with the residual heat. It won't be too long before we can finally hack into it. And there it is, still a little bit warm. Beautiful sunken pieces of fruit and the perfectly cooked batter. With your Meg oven, you can just set and forget, and you're guaranteed the perfect moisture and texture every single time. Look at this. I'm really happy right now. For more recipes, please go to smegcucina.com.au, and for more inspiration, please follow Smeg.